Hey car friends! Every recommendation in this video has been confirmed by professionals at the shop, so relax. Your problem has a solution. If your Ford Focus threw the dreaded message, Hill Start Assist not available, don't worry. It doesn't mean your car has gone crazy or that you can't start on a hill anymore. What it's basically saying is, hey, I'm not sure I can help you release the brake on a slope, so I better not try. Sounds dramatic, but most of the time the fix is simpler than it seems. First, the most common thing the mechanics at this shop say is that your battery might be a little weak. Yep, your car is smart, and if it notices it doesn't have enough power, it will shut down non-essential features to save energy. Hill Start Assist is one of those. The fix here is simple. Charge the battery, or at least make sure it has good voltage, and then drive around a bit. If your battery is fine, the next suspect is the ABS sensor. Hill Start Assist relies on these sensors to know whether you're on a slope. If one fails or has a loose wire, the system says, I'd better not risk it, and shows the message. The good news is you don't always need to replace the entire sensor. Checking the wires, cleaning them, or fixing a broken connection usually solves it. Many mechanics have fixed it without spending a dime on expensive parts. Now, if your Focus is still being stubborn, it could be a communication issue between modules. Yep, your car has several little electronic brains like the ABS, BCM, and TCM, and if they don't talk to each other, some functions get disabled. This can happen because of corroded connections, loose fuses, or even outdated software. On forums, the general recommendation is to check fuses, verify the grounding, and, if all else fails, consider a software update at the dealership. And heads up, there's a trick many mechanics use when the message appears intermittently: resetting the control module. Sounds technical, but in practice, some manage it with simple switch combinations, turning the car off and then back on. It doesn't always work, but it's worth trying before spending money on parts.